The active electric high-pressure washer is a device that is suitable for efficient cleaning with a powerful water flow. This device is suitable for both home and professional use. Its weight is 60 pounds and the length of the hose is 12.2 meters. It is suitable for washing cars, motorcycles, cleaning facades and fences. It is equipped with a 5-piston pump and a durable induction motor to ensure its durability. The maximum flow rate is 2.3 gallons. The maximum pressure is 1,500 pounds per square inch. Despite its high power and durability, the sink is compact and the innovative wall frame allows for convenient, space-saving storage. The Astro 936 Onyx gear-driven heavy-duty air saw is designed for heavy-duty applications. It delivers an impressive 250% more cutting power compared to standard air saws. This powerful unit can effortlessly cut through mild steel up to a 1/4 inch thick and is compatible with universal 1/2 inch shank saw blades, as well as Sawzall blades. It's widely used in automotive, metalworking, and various other applications where precise and efficient cutting with compressed air is essential. If you need a reliable tool for tough cutting tasks, the Astro 936 Onyx is an excellent choice. DeWalt Dwash Rear Metal Cutting Attachment. It can cut materials up to 18 gauge, not only sheet metal, but also corrugated metal, ductwork, roofing shingles, steel mesh, vinyl siding. It can even handle wire, plastic, cardboard, and rubber. One of the most useful features is that its head rotates 360 degrees. You'll be able to cut in any direction, even in the most awkward places. The attachment is compatible with almost all 18 to 20 volt drills and impact screwdrivers, regardless of brand. It has a standard 1/4 inch hex shank that fits most tools. Think of how many tools this attachment can replace: metal shears, a vinyl cutting knife, a roofing cutting tool.
The Black & Decker chainsaw has unique clamping jaws that work like giant scissors, grab and cut. No fiddling with holding the branch with one hand and sawing with the other. The 4.5 ampere motor can even handle thick branches up to 10 cm in diameter. These are just the branches that conventional pruners can no longer take, and a large chainsaw is too lazy to get. The saw has metal guards that cover the jaws, so you can work safely without fear of accidentally damaging your hand. The saw is mains powered, and its compact size and lightweight allow you to reach the hardest to reach places in the garden. Kreg KHEHINGE Furniture Hinge Reducer. The tool is the size of a miniature drill press, only portable. It provides the same precision as if you were working on stationary equipment. It has special cams and measuring scales. They help you accurately place the hinges on the door. It comes with a carbide-tipped drill bit and a depth stop. You will always drill the right depth holes for the hinge cups. The conductor has holes for drilling for the hinge screws. For professional joiners, this tool can be a real lifesaver when working with large orders. The speed and quality of work will increase significantly, which is great when you're working with different materials. Pica-Dry is more than just a pencil. It's your trusted assistant for everything you do. The vibrating tile setter helps spread the adhesive evenly. No more air bubbles or unevenness. Your tiles will lay perfectly flat. Powered by a 16.8 volt lithium battery, you'll have enough power to work for a long time, and the battery indicator light will tell you when it's time to replace the battery. It only takes 2 hours to charge the battery. 2 batteries are included at once. You will be able to work without interruption by simply changing batteries. The suction cup has a maximum lifting capacity of 77 pounds. You can easily lift and move even large and heavy materials. For those who love precision, there is a built-in bubble level. You will always be sure that the tiles are lying flat. Another handy detail is the flashlight for working in low light.
Milwaukee brushless pruning shears are a tool designed for cutting and trimming various materials. They are battery-operated, providing speed and convenience. These secateurs can easily handle branches up to 1 1/4 inches in diameter. Compared to hand tools, brushless pruners make tasks easier and faster. The special active blade control technology allows the blade to follow the motion of the trigger, giving users more control while pruning. With a powerful battery, these shears can perform up to 1,000 cuts on 1/2 inch diameter branches on a single charge. Mirka Cordless Sander, designed for spot sanding. It is battery-operated, compact, ergonomic, and energy efficient. The maximum rotational speed is 8,000 revolutions per minute. All this makes it convenient for mobile use. The 10.8 volts lithium-ion battery lasts up to 16 hours in industrial use. The charging time is 45 minutes. This sander is suitable for professional use and can also be useful for home craftsmen engaged in repairing and making various manufacturing processes. The Stihl GTH26 is a cordless lopper for cutting wood. It is suitable for universal use in the household in standalone mode without the need for connection to the mains electricity supply. It can be used to easily cut and saw branches and can also be used for simple wood construction. The weight of the lopper is 2.64 pounds. Its features are high performance, quiet operation, and long working time. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, and the chain can be replaced without tools. There's a flexible safety guard for maximum safety and a charge level indicator. The manual stair climbing cart is an electric device made of durable carbon steel and designed to facilitate transportation up and down stairs. It features 2 heavy-duty, high-abrasion pneumatic tires, 2 anti-slip support wheels, and a 4000-watt electric motor. The load capacity is 375 pounds, which means they are suitable for moving medium to heavy loads. There is the ability to climb 1,224 to 2448 steps on a single battery charge. There are 2 speeds to choose from for operation: fast 34 steps per minute and slow 24 steps per minute. And the cart is equipped with a removable 48 volts rechargeable battery, which ensures uninterrupted operation throughout the working day. There is also an auto connect function, an independent switch, and a visible display to show the battery charge level and voltage.
This laser level can replace a whole set of tools. It projects horizontal and vertical lines with an accuracy of plus or minus 2 millimeters per meter. There is a dust collector for the drill. You can drill the walls without fear that the entire apartment will be in the dust. The laser level bracket has an electronic vacuum suction cup. No need to drill the walls or use glue. One press of a button, and it holds securely on any smooth surface. Equipped with a built-in 18 mAh battery, a full charge is enough for 10 hours of continuous use. It can be charged via Type-C cable. You can use it for hanging pictures, installing furniture, wallpapering, and other kinds of work. The bracket can support up to 5 kilograms, so you can use it for projectors as well. The kit comes with everything you need: a bracket with different types of threads. You see a great tool from Bosch, the JS260 electric jigsaw. Let's start with the fact that this jigsaw is equipped with a powerful 6-amp motor that delivers an impressive performance of up to 3,100 movements per minute. One of the key features of the JS260 is the speed control system. You can set the maximum speed with a dedicated dial and control the operating speed with the convenient gas pedal trigger. The multi-directional saw clamp provides excellent grip on T-shank blades. And with the keyless change system, you can quickly and easily change saw blades without the need for additional tools. The JS260 offers 4 orbital stroke modes, allowing for both smooth and aggressive cuts. The integrated sawdust blower always keeps the cutting line clean and clearly visible, which is especially important for precise work. Recon T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure. It's self-calibrating and has an accuracy of less than 1/32 of an inch. If the tape suddenly becomes worn or damaged, no worries, it can be easily replaced. The built-in electronic paper display can store 500 measurements. You can view them, sort, delete in general, full control over your data. It has a green laser pointer. This is projected from the front surface of the tape measure, helping you to accurately align and mark the desired point. The T1 has a quick menu where you can measure inside dimensions, make relative measurements, find the center. You can switch between inches, feet, millimeters, and centimeters as you like. This tape measure can connect to the ROCK job site app to wirelessly share cut lists, annotations, notes, and calculations with anyone on the job site. Imagine you need to pull a stuck SUV or haul a heavy log in the woods, then the super handy winch will come to the rescue. It can pull loads up to 1,000 pounds in a single configuration. It is fully electric and runs on battery power. A compact tool that makes it easy to take anywhere in the woods, hunting, and construction sites. And if the battery runs out, no worries, you can replace it in a couple seconds and get on with the job. There is an instant start button, and the battery is leak-proof. Whether it's for forestry, gardening, or construction, this winch can handle it all. Let me tell you about a real find for watering the garden, a 100-foot wall-mounted hose reel. It has automatic rewinding. Just pull the hose easily after use, and it winds back up neatly by itself. The reel can be rotated 180 degrees, so you can water in any direction without the risk of twisting the hose. And when you're done, just turn it against the wall, and it's out of the way. You can secure the reel to the bracket with a conventional padlock, protecting it from potential theft. The hose and mechanism are UV and frost resistant. You can use it all year round with no problems. The kit includes a wall bracket, connecting hose, all necessary fittings, and even a sprayer. A tool for woodworking is the Craig corner hole conductor. It helps you create perfect corner joints that are not only strong, but also look great. It is suitable for working with boards that are 1.5 inches thick. The Craig has 3 holes for drilling. You can quickly make several holes in a row without wasting time readjusting. Another plus is the secure fit. The large clamping recess allows you to hold the conductor firmly against your workpiece. No slipping or shifting during work. The removable drilling guide allows you to use the tool anywhere. A vacuum cleaner can be connected to the Craig with a special adapter. Now all chips and dust will be collected in the vacuum cleaner instead of flying around the workshop. Rigid's incredibly durable portable vise. It uses a chain clamp to securely hold pipes from 1/8 of an inch to 6 inches in diameter. Whether you're working with steel, copper, or PV, see this vise can handle any material. The rigid Tristan folds up for easy transportation, and there's a convenient carrying handle and self-locking lock. When you arrive at site, setup takes seconds. The folding legs easily lock into place, and you have a stable work surface right away. Another cool feature is a special tab for attaching grounding when welding. There's a sturdy tool tray for your convenience. Everything you need is always at your fingertips. The Makita blower, powered by a 40-volt battery, is as powerful as a corded tool, but you're not tied to an outlet. You can use it on a construction site, in the workshop, or just to clean your computer keyboard. This is Makita's new generation of cordless tools that give you more power and run time. If you're tired of dusting hard to reach places or want a powerful cleaning tool on hand, take a look at this blower. It can be your trusty helper in a variety of situations. It provides fast and continuous expansion. All the gears are metal, and the body itself is also metal. There's a special spatula trigger. It makes it easy to operate the tool even in tight spaces. The Milwaukee Propex expansion is specifically designed to work with a Ponner Propex. Band screwdriver Makita runs on a battery 18 volts and really makes life easier, especially if you often have to screw many screws in a row. The motor speed is up to 4,000 RPM. It can work with screws from 1 inch to 2 and 1/8 long. There is a special guide for screws. It does not let the tape get tangled and folds up when you put the tool away for storage. The auto feed body is made of aluminum and protected from dust. The mechanism will run smoothly and last a long time. The tool is compact, despite its performance. It is comfortable to hold and work and hard to reach places. Get to the range, in the field, or keep it on your workbench. It will always be handy and in one piece. Carbon Boss is suitable for a variety of firearms, especially AR platforms. It will handle fouling on the bolt carrier, gas key, and other hard-to-reach areas. You see a great tool from Bosch, the JS260 electric jigsaw. Let's start with the fact that this jigsaw is equipped with a powerful 6-amp motor that delivers an impressive performance of up to 3,100 movements per minute. One of the key features of the JS260 is the speed control system. You can set the maximum speed with a dedicated dial and control the operating speed with the convenient gas pedal trigger. The multi-directional saw clamp provides excellent grip on T-shank blades. And with the keyless change system, you can quickly and easily change saw blades without the need for additional tools. The JS260 offers 4 orbital stroke modes, allowing for both smooth and aggressive cuts. The integrated sawdust blower always keeps the cutting line clean and clearly visible, which is especially important for precise work. and special decking spout. Speed Heater Cobra is an infrared paint removal system. With it, you can forget about caustic chemicals, endless sanding, and dangerous hot dryers. Speed Heater Cobra does all the work quickly, safely, and efficiently. It heats up the surface of paint or varnish just enough so that it can be easily scraped off. Literally, in a few seconds, you can already remove the softened paint. It works at 230 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which is lower than the temperature at which lead begins to evaporate. You can safely work with old paint without fear of dangerous fumes. Handles all types of paint, varnish, and adhesives. Whether you're working on interior or exterior, windows, furniture, boats, stairs, or doors, the Speed Heater Cobra can handle it all. Lightweight, compact, with a flexible head that allows you to reach the hardest to reach places. All strip paint remains solid and is easy to collect and dispose of,